Welcome to this video on Windows 11 for older hardware. We will explore if the long-term servicing channel, or LTSC, is the ultimate solution for professionals like electricians. Windows 11 presents several roadblocks for older hardware, including the lack of TPM 2.0 and the official unsupported status of Intel 7th Gen and older CPUs. Furthermore, standard versions have heavy RAM usage and random updates that risk breaking critical field software. Introducing Windows 11 LTSC, which is built for mission-critical stability. It offers 5 to 10 years of support with only security updates and has a significantly lower hardware footprint for older processors. LTSC provides rock-solid stability and extended support, ensuring reliable operation without unexpected feature updates. Its lightweight design ensures smooth performance even on older hardware. IoT Enterprise LTSC is the most lightweight edition of Windows 11. It's designed for kiosks and medical devices, bypassing many standard hardware checks and focusing on 100% reliability for the workshop. LTSC is built for the field, removing consumer junk like TikTok or Xbox Game Bar. This frees up CPU power for essential tasks like configuring PLCs, checking breaker panels, and running schematics and code quickly. LTSC cuts the dead weight by removing bloatware like the Microsoft Store and Cortana. This also results in a fast file explorer optimized for quickly searching local PDFs and wiring diagrams. Looking at the performance benchmark, Windows 11 LTSC significantly reduces both RAM usage and the number of background processes compared to Windows 11 Pro. Regarding software compatibility, LTSC offers better support for legacy drivers and runs demanding software like AutoCAD and Bluebeam more efficiently. This results in the flawless execution of diagnostic tools and a lower risk of blue screen errors. The fine print is that LTSC is an enterprise product, meaning it's not available at retail stores and usually requires volume licensing. It also requires a fresh installation. The path to LTSC involves 4 steps. Prep by backing up your data, use Rufus to create a bootable USB to bypass checks, install by performing a clean wipe, and finalize by installing and testing your essential software. This visual illustrates the 4 steps to LTSC: backing up data, using Rufus to create the USB, performing the clean installation, and finalizing the setup with essential tools. The final verdict: LTSC is for you if you have a 2014 to 2018 laptop with 8 GB of RAM, prioritize stability, and want to avoid automatic restart issues. It is not for you if you need the Microsoft Store, heavily game, or want the latest AI features. Consider your needs carefully based on this comparison to determine if LTSC provides the right balance of stability and performance for your older hardware.